I bet you didn't know Alaska is home to some of the world's most majestic bears. Let's meet them. Alaskan bears are truly awe-inspiring. From the mighty grizzly to the elusive black bear, these incredible creatures roam the vast landscapes of Alaska, showcasing strength and grace. Watch them fish for salmon, nurture their cubs, and navigate the wild with unmatched prowess. If you're as fascinated by these magnificent bears as we are, hit that subscribe button for more amazing nature content. See you in the wild.